In this video, I'll take you on another open house tour. This home is located at 221 La Paloma Avenue, Alhambra, California, 91801. The price is subject to change. It's listed at $949,000. It is a Compass listing, and I'll leave the information in the description of today's video. So if you don't know where this home is located, it's located in Emery Park, and it's a beautiful tree-lined street, and it's walking distance to Emery Park Elementary School. So if you want to know more about the neighborhood and you want to know what's selling or what's sold and what your home may be worth, you can use my Compass mobile app, and I'll leave the link in the description of today's property video. And as far as what's located nearby, there's Costco, Target, Albertsons. There's a lot of food, restaurants, cities and neighborhoods. You have El Sereno, South Pasadena, City Terrace, and San Gabriel. So we made it to the property. The sign says Emery Park Hills. It's actually located on the flats of Emery Park, as I guess you can say that. It's a Compass listing, so I'm just gonna let the video play and you'll see a lot of unique features of the home. So we're very close to LA County Public Works, as you can see the blue cube in the background. I got permission to film. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you need help selling a home or buying a home in LA County, please reach out to me. That's it. That's the end of the tour.